and again. Umpires checking the no ball, but there's nothing wrong. Absolutely fine. Half and half, and a good take at long on. And yeah, when you are in such a good form, this is not the kind of shot that you go for. Wonderful take by the fielder as Masadakat is out.
Mike starts off with a huge six. That's how you start an innings.
And that's the kind of player he is. In his first 5 appearances, he scored 200s in the national championships. Strong lad. But then again now, 1 or 2 hits ain't gonna do it. It has to be a bigger effort. But what a start. What an announcement of your arrival in a semi-final match.
I was just about to say suddenly for the shot 47 for 2.
Kevin Matthew into the attack. Pike smashed his first ball in the last over from Miran Rabdaj for a maximum. The second delivery took a single. First ball of the 6th over tried to go over the maximum. He throws it away and Kevin Matthew strikes for Sri Lanka.
Very first ball, he comes in to attack. Praveen Matthew gets his second. 1 shot too many for Mohammad Faiz, who smashed the 6 in the previous over. This time around, not getting the distance. Sahana Rachige keeping his eye on the ball and taking it comfortably. This is a big blow. Mohammad Faiz back in the dugout. Shaheens lose their third. Faiz only contributing 7. Shaheens 47 for 3.
Experience that shot. Poor delivery down the leg side, drifting away with fine leg and square leg in the circle. That's a dangerous line. Bouncer, deep square leg fielder in place and takes a good one. Lassit Cruz Fulle sprinting in from deep square leg, never easy diving forward, and Pramod Madhushan take above, a good bouncer to dismiss Yasir.
Well, unnecessary, but
Is it outside edge? Is it? It is! Kevin Matthew bowling his last over of his spell. Dunitha Lalage took a chance by bowling Kevin Matthew 4 overs on the trot, and he delivers, dismissing the captain Irfan Khan.
he's not.
Shot. Nicely placed. The fielder behind square. He can't make it. Poor delivered by Dunitha Lalage on a slow surface. And it's
Wickets to his name.
nicely cut away. What a shot. That is a very good shot from Masood. Placement was superb.
Pakistani 5 down. It's not over yet. These two can bat. Room outside the off stump, using the pace of the bowler. That's nicely placed. That's a nice partnership building up there, which is what Pakistan need at the minute, because the batters to come are Daniel, Aziz, Mukeem, Ubaid, they can all hit the ball.
Cheeky, effective. All the way for maximum. I mentioned the fact that Ghazi Gori will go after Ratnayaka, and he feels now is the time.
100 up for Shah.
Again cheeky. Just over the fielder's head at short third. It's good game sense from Ghazi Gori.
That was pressure on the bowler. The previous delivery hit for a 6. And the bowler is always under pressure in these overs. Short delivery outside the off stump. Didn't have to do much. Just open the face of the bat, play it over the fielder.
Gonna be out, straightforward decision. That was smashing into the middle stump. What a poor choice of a shot. When
It will probably bowl the 4 overs. Shot. Beautiful hit. That's power for you all along the ground.
Wonderful from Ghazi Gori, making room and hitting it through the extra cover region, knowing where the fielders are, where the boundary riders are. Perfect placement and an excellent cricket stroke all along the carpet. Brilliant boundary this.
A lot to like up Centley has. Oh, extra cover, he goes again. Pace on, and Aziz says thank you very much and pumps it over extra cover. And that too, coming down the track, treating Sanket like a spinner.
Very handy runs for Pakistan. Another beautiful cricket shot. This time the batter Shahid Aziz just coming down the ground and placing it over extra cover. So two good cricket shots, both towards extra cover, one in the air, one along the carpet. Very useful runs.
He picked the bones out of that. Ahmed Danial, I did warn you folks that he can tonk the ball. Certainly he did in the last delivery.
Well, this was a power hit, no doubt about it. Ahmed Danial just striking one out of the park in his zone, and he went after it. Have a look at this. Wonderful striking.
Picks it up, long off fielder. Oh, valiant attempt, but palms it over. That is very unlucky. Sana Arachigi, who took a stunner in the previous over of Pramod Madushan's bowling. This shot, what a shot. Danial under pressure scoops it over, a shin high full toss. With that six, brings up the 154, the Shaheens.
Ahmed Danial, where have you been hiding? This talent of hitting sixes. Madushan is not an easy bowler to get away. Just have a look at this. Ahmed Danial does the A.B. de Villiers, converts this Yorker length delivery into a six with the deep.
Oh, beaten and outside edge and given. Pramod Madushan has the last laugh, pull the length back. Certainly goes for it, slower delivery, no timing. And Milan Ratnayaka takes it easily. And that gives...
156.
Here comes the last ball. Slower delivery, or Yorker, not too sure, but a clever delivery. Whatever it is to finish off by Pramod Madushan. 4 overs, 4 for 29, the most experienced bowler in the Sri Lankan